Bugyo Colaba Festival, Pabarihan Colaba 2024 highlights the annual town fiesta of Colaba, which is held every 14th day of May to honor the patron saint, Saint Isidore the Worker.
Colaba has risen above various challenging expresses because of their strong community spirit and faith in the Almighty. The Bugyo Colaba Festival Pabarihan Colaba is the community expression of gratitude, the bountiful harvest that comes every season to the farmers, which is a legacy of the rich cultures that have been passed on from generation to generation. Pabari is coined from the words magbari, which means harvesting rice. Pabari invokes a symbolic association of life and a person's who thrives by cultivating the agricultural resources and invoking the intercessions and prayers of Saint Isidore Labrador for protection and bountiful harvest.
Di saya hunta, padayon kita, Kulaba, Kulaba, Bugyo, Kulaba.
Welcome to this Pabari Festival competition. Today, we gather to showcase the incredible talents and creativity of our participants, showcasing the town's festival, the Pabari Festival. It is a celebration of art, culture, and community coming together to inspire and uplift one another, especially the culture of our municipality, the municipality of Colaba.
Pabarihan Kulaba, di saya hunta, padayon kita, Kulaba. Dakong kahigayunan, nagulat ka ng tungtanan, di ang kininahimutan, sa tagsang Pabarihan Kulaba, basta't lihan, umantihan, umasalamat ng pag-urusan. Pabarihan Kulaba, di saya hunta, padayon kita.
Damo nga salamat na nag-perform kay siring pa na ako mga konsyal na amis sila na ang performance mo ato niya high level. May talent ko ng Colaba sa showcase for Colaba nga diri ang Colaba nagpapalit behind. So kayang-kaya pala natin mag-compete kahit sa mga lugar. Atong natanan, diri ni mahimo kung wala kita nagkaurusa. Padayon, pag-uswag Colaba, padayon, ang kaubayan para ang Colaba. So atong natanan, damo nga salamat, Bugyo Colaba.